How to download Uphold app on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Uphold app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store. Once you open the App Store, now tap on search bar and search for Uphold. Now click on the second option where you can see the icon for Uphold. Now tap on Get. Verify your Face ID. Once you verify it, your app will start to download. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Uphold app on our iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.